Hey, Wildlife Crystal here. I have another simple dog treat recipe for you. Last week I got lots of messages asking for more, so here you go. Again, as always, I'm going to be writing down the nutritional benefits of each ingredient that we use. That way, when you're cooking with your families, you can explain to them exactly what we're consuming. P.S. Not only will your dogs love these cookies, but humans do too. I hope you enjoy. First, get your raspberries and put them into your mixing bowl. Then grab a fork and smush up all the raspberries into a liquid. Then you're going to get your oats, put them in the blender, blend it up to a fine powder, mix it into the bowl. Then you're going to get your apples, cut them up into small pieces. You're going to put them back in the blender and chop them up as well. They'll be nice and chunky. Put all the ingredients in the bowl. Then you're going to put your 5 tablespoons of peanut butter, mix it up into a sticky dough. Next, get a parchment paper, put it over a pan so you can put it into the oven. Then you're going to roll the dough into small balls, about an inch each. Then, because they're red from the raspberries, I wanted to make them into cute little hearts, which is so sweet for the dogs. After that, you're going to stick that right into the oven until they're golden brown. Make sure you let them cool fully until you give them to your dog. Amelia is obsessed with these.